morning. It's Wednesday, April 1st, and I'm going to give you a hint on your shipwreck and murder lab. I've gotten a couple of emails, so I want to steer you in the right direction. I'm looking at assignment 2, number 1. So you've moved on to Misty Gaines' time of death. You've finished the coffee cup exercise, and you're using the data that they give you to write your exponential function here. So they give you 2 data points. They tell you that when her temperature is first taken, my temperature, it's 1 p.m. and the corpse is 96.1. Then an hour later at 2 p.m., it's 91.7. That's actually enough information to write your exponential function. So I'm going to use that first data set. They tell us that the first time that the temperature is taken, that's actually time 0. Her temp, my temp, is 96.1. And then 1 hour later at 2 p.m., so X in this case, or T in this case, is 1 hour to reflect the amount of time since the first temperature, is 91.7. Okay, so if you look at the wording of the question, it gives you a little hint here. It says that F represents the temperature T hours after the first temp of her body was taken. So you treat that first temperature as your initial value essentially, and then your second data set to figure out the rest of the function. So we know that when that first temperature was taken, my temp was 96.1. And we're actually going to use that information here to solve for A. So if you look at your exponential function here, we know that the temperature is 96.1. We know that time is 0. This is the very first time the temp is taken. And we know that the C, or the horizontal asymptote, is 80 because the body's not going to cool any more than air temperature, which we know is a consistent 80 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to use this information to solve for A. We know that anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is actually enough information to solve for A. I'm going to subtract 80 from both sides. All right, let me click over to a different screen here. So A, the initial value, is 16.1. Okay, so we're going to use this, and we're going to use our second data point to solve for B. So now pulling that second data point, 91.7 degrees, and our initial value, 16.1, now we can plug in 1 hour later for T. Remember, T is a reflection of how much time has passed since the first temperature was taken. That's what the wording in the question is, plus 80. Okay, so you have enough information here to get your B. And once you've got that B, you've got your A, you've got your B, and you've got your C, which is enough to finish the entire function. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you're still stuck. I'm here to help.